Hello everyone. On today's video, I will be cleaning the headers pipes on my Yamaha FZ6. Some of the products that I use is steel wool for the scrubbing and metal polish. So as we get started on cleaning these headers, one of the first things I do is use a damp cloth, microfiber, and basically I just wipe down the pipes. Helps remove some of the debris and preps it for the polish. And almost final thing is to polish it up with a microfiber towel. And there you have it, folks. Nice clean header pipes. You can see, freshly polished and ready. Nice ride. Nice ride. Thanks again.